Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is Ima Talk Update. Alright guys, if this is your first time coming to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and then do not forget also to like and share to your friends. Alright, in this video I'm just going to show you how you can forward professional email to a Gmail. Alright, email sent to professional email, you can forward it to a Gmail. So now you start. This is my dashboard, Namecheap dashboard. So from the dashboard, just click on hosting list. All right, then you go to where you see cPanel. Click on cPanel. Now you can use every other hosting platform to do the same, right? This process is seamless. So now we want to forward email that goes to professional email to a Gmail, right? So you just click on forwarders. And when you click on forwarders, it's going to load. All right, when it loads, then it will ask you to input the professional email first. So all right guys, from here now you can see all domains are here, right? So what you need to do is simply you can check on what add domain forwarder. No, so we are adding what domain forwarder. That's what we are doing. Click on add forwarder, right? So when you click on add forwarder, it gives you a dialog box will open for you to impute the email and its domain. As you can see, you can switch the domain from where it is here, right? Well, I want us to use Brandfrica, so I'll just switch it to Brandfrica, and then see here, say forward to email address, right? The email address you want it to forward to, it will definitely go there. So the email address you want the professional email to forward the emails to, that's what you're going to type in there. So I just added one of my Gmail, right, which is Moses Foundation. Look at the domain name is Brandfrica. Remember, the email you are creating here, you are going to add here as address to forward. It's an existing email in one of your domain. Do you get that? It's an existing email from one of your domain, so you don't need to add the @ in front of it. You don't need to add the domain name in front of it. So if you look on that, the domain name has already been added, right? So what you just need to do, if you have an existing email, I think I have an existing email which is says@brandfrica.com. So I'm going to just add says, and then I'll leave the domain name there, right, like that. That is the one under. If it's not existing, it's going to be an error, right? So all you need to do is just to come down and hit add forwarder, right? It's simple, very simple and seamless. Please guys, if you enjoyed this video, please click like and then comment, and then probably send to your friends. All right, and do not forget to subscribe. All right guys, I think this comes to the end of the tutorial. As you can see, an email sent to your domain name, your domain image professional email, will be copied to Moses Foundation, that is your Gmail. It is simple, it is done. All right, so please guys, if you want to know how to create a professional email, I think you can watch this video here and create it. Thank you guys, and do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye.